Okay everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to add a favicon to your message. Now this is a pretty big deal. Let me show you why. Right here is the picture of it's a screenshot of notifications showing up on phone. So this is a device, this is a device, this is a device. And as you can see, these two devices have no favicon because it doesn't show up anywhere here in the messaging, whereas this one has one. Also, when we look at this particular landing page online, this is the online version of it, and you can see right up here, next to where it says Ken's Test, there is no favicon. When you look at the next one here, there is a favicon. So what I want to do is I want to show you how to get a favicon that's going to show up with your messaging. So it'll be there if you look at it online, and then it'll also be here in your messaging as well when it shows up on people's phones. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go to the top of the page. We are actually going to leave this page. We're going to go here. And we click on this button, and we go to where it says background. Once we go there, we click this button to browse the images that are already in our background. So now what we're doing is we're looking for a logo of any type that we can go ahead and use as a favicon. And let's do something that can be relatively permanent. And we are going to use this one right here. Proximity Plus logo, and what you can do is right click on this, and when you do, the box will open up and it says open. So you click this box where it says open. Now your image opens up, and then you've got a URL right up here. So we're going to copy this URL, and now that we have this URL, what we are going to do, log out of all of this, then we are going to go back to, we're going to go back to our page, landing pages. Okay, and we are on this one here. And what we're looking for now is when we click these three buttons right here, it says Edit Landing Page, Edit HTML. We want to go into Edit HTML. When we do that, we come to spot 7 here, number 7. And then down here, it says the word favicon. So right here between the what's that called? The semicolon and the not parentheses, goodness gracious, the quote marks, my goodness. We're going to go ahead and select here. We're going to select, got to be careful because you don't want to make a mistake here. All right, you want to grab between those quote marks. And when you do, go ahead and paste that URL that we just got. And now we can see it no longer says favicon here because we just copied and pasted this text right between these quote marks very carefully, so we didn't leave anything extra. Then we click on Edit and then Save and Publish. And now let's go back to the landing page. It's right here. And when we click on this button to edit the landing page, and we click on this button to view the landing page online, voila. Now, look at this. We have a favicon right there. So, if you'll look at the first one, right, there's no favicon right here, but then we've got a favicon that shows up right here. So, we've got the same landing page, and we just have got the favicon added. So now when you go ahead and look at your, when the notification comes up on this list here, you would now have that symbol here, you would have that symbol here. So, you know, we're either going to use the Proximity Plus favicon in that spot, we might use the favicon for For Proximity Plus, we might use the Favicon for the customer's business or your business. We might use the Favicon for Facebook. If we use the Favicon for Facebook, that's pretty neat because when it shows up in people's messages, they're under the impression that they just got a message from Facebook, like most people do all of the time. So that is how you go ahead and do that. Step 1, 2, 3. Okay, enjoy the day. Thanks.